Catastrophe in Texas, causing another explosive emergency. A fire erupted at a chemical plant in Crosby after some type of blast, which was brought on by all the massive flooding. Days of despair still ahead for those in the flood zone. The mayor of Houston says it could be at least a week before that flooding recedes. Thousands of people are now spending their days waiting for bottled water, which is now in high demand for areas without clean water. And the disaster is also fueling frustration over gasoline. Long lines of people trying to gas up, they've been seen all day. Nearly 200,000 homes have been either damaged or destroyed by Harvey. And FEMA says at this point, more than 100,000 people have already been approved for federal assistance. Local 10 News reporter Terrell Fournay is live in Texas with a look at how people are beginning to recover. Terrell.
And Lori, tonight we are just south of the city of Houston. This block darkened tonight because the people who live here are either in hotels or staying with family members. Everything they own out on the curb as they continue to pick up the pieces. Priceless memories and prized possessions are being tossed out like trash. The scene repeated up and down this block by families who were knee-deep in water in their own living rooms.
To be misplaced in such a bad way, you know, like everything is everywhere. It's heartbreaking.
Stalled out cars with water still dripping from the tailpipe are being towed away by the minute. And then this, a sign warning that looters would be shot dead on the spot, likely by worried homeowners forced to dry out with their front doors wide open. Soil, discarded debris piling up on front lawns as city leaders warn residents in West Houston to stay away because their home could reflood as water is released from nearby reservoirs. As many as 20,000 homes could stay flooded for up to 2 weeks.
We cannot spend the next 14, 15, 16 days being a water taxi service when we still have so much to do, so much work to do from a public safety standpoint.
And tonight, more trouble at a chemical plant where severe flooding caused a power outage, explosions, and more fires as unstable chemicals react. Surrounded streets remain evacuated. Over in Beaumont, Texas, no running water has led to long lines at stores for bottled water. The wait 4 hours in some cases. And in a neighboring town, an unwelcomed visitor caused quite a stir.
Looked down and there was a 10-foot alligator in my dining room.
But despite the wild week, Southeast Texas has proven it has a spirit that is shaken but not broken.
Houston is strong, and we're going to grow from it.
So many items to replace, including family cars. In fact, it is believed that the storm called Harvey ruined more than 500,000 cars. We also know that President Donald Trump and the First Lady will make a stop in Houston tomorrow. We are live in Friendswood, Texas tonight. I'm Terrell Fournay, Local 10 News.
Terrell, thanks so much.